What's up, good people? My name is Larry Jones. Welcome to Stock Up. I have a very brief message to just share with you about everything that's going on. I know you've been yelled at and shouted at and everything this weekend. And I just want to just talk with you very briefly about what's going on and what I'm going to be doing. I posted that in my previous video that I was not just going to cover AMC. And a lot of you, overwhelmingly, you guys says continue to cover it. So here's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be making 2 videos like I'm not working hard enough. My hat's off to all the YouTubers that do what I do. It is a lot of work. You're never off 14 hours a day. You're taking time away from your families. I want to give you guys the best quality and the best information. I have old and young. I have experienced investors, and I also have new investors, and I want to meet the needs of everybody, of both sides, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to post 2 different videos every day. One video I will post about what's happening in the market that doesn't have to do with AMC. So all you got to do is look at the thumbnail. For those of you that's been with us since last year, we've made collectively hundreds of millions of dollars, right? But for the AMCs, we also, you guys need the different views from all of the YouTubers, and we all bring something different to the table. And so I also want to show you that's getting rich how to be wealthy. If somebody following me made $1 million off of AMC, but I want to show you how to turn that $1 million into $10 million. And so that's what I'm about. I want to spread wealth. And what I love about this page and what I call you guys my family is we're all races, all ages, male and female. It doesn't matter. That's why I call you guys family. And somebody said, why do you say good people? I say good people because that means God's people. And because God created everything. He created us all, and we're all brothers and sisters. So that's why I say good people, which is God's people. We're all family. That's why I call you guys family, okay? I just want to be straight. There's no shame in my game. And so I want to continue to give you guys the best of what I have, all right? And so just know that the reason why I'm so passionate about this battle, it's more than AMC. It is more than that. It's countless other stock, small cap stock, large cap stock. It doesn't matter. It's generally the stock that you and I trade. Okay. You got the top 25 hedge fund managers, the top 25, 20 of them made $1 billion a piece. Not the hedge fund, the managers, $1 billion a piece. When did they make that? In 2020, when you didn't even have a job, a lot of us. And so is that wrong? No. But what's wrong about it is they say, hey, let's bring some new investors in. And then, all the new investors come in and they're taking our money. What do you think that money is coming from? It's coming from you and me. And they call us dumb money. But I say hashtag dumb money woke, because we woke. Wall Street looks like you. Okay? Every time I see people and they recognize me in the street, I always say, hey, Wall Street looks like you. And that's what's happening. And this is the shift. This is the transfer of wealth. It's happening. And so I don't want to get really deep into that. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys different techniques. Like I'm 70% now, and I have a lot of shares. Okay? I have a lot of money in AMC. But I'm going to share with you guys, I'm transparent, of how I'm playing with 70% of the house's money now, because I went in deeper. At first, I was playing with all of the house's money. So I got a short position and a long position. And so that's what I'm doing. But I keep building my long position bigger and bigger and bigger. So I'm adding even more shares. Okay. And I want to share with you guys that don't know. I want to help you guys and teach you guys these principles. Okay, good people. I know this is not, I'm not going buy. But sometimes these talks like this, you'll get more out of this than just constantly yelling at you. So for those of you that's been with me for a while and you don't care, you're tired of hearing about AMC, I'm going to continue to post a video on stock for you, just like Nio that's ripping right now. But for those of you that are in the movement, or the quote unquote 8 movement, I am also going to continue to share with you, at least give you a recap and tell you what I think and shine a light on something else, because it helps the movement. I am an 8 and I am holding long and I'm holding strong. I'm happy that we close where we are, and we are going to win this time, because it is time to level the playing field, because this helps the entire stock market and not just AMC and GME. All right, good people, I'm going to leave it there. But in closing, I just wanted you guys to know about something actually that's going on with Webull. For everyone that already have the Webull app, there's a promotion going on. It looks like this in your app. And then when you hit it, you'll see this. This promotion is going into the 17th. As you could see, you get even more stock. I don't have it in front of me. I think it's 4 more stock. And they raised the value of the stock, okay? And for those of you that don't have it, there's a link below. Download the link, deposit $100, and you get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. Then you will have a link yourself to share, and then you can make money with your own link. Hey, if there's free money to be made, I'm gonna let the family know. All right? Hey, I love you guys. For those of you that haven't subscribed, please hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And it's easier on your computer to hit all. It's cumbersome on your phone. All right? Hey, I'm Larry Jones. This is Stock Up, and this is the way we roll. Sometimes I get animated. Sometimes I do straight talk like this. All right, good people. Love you. Live, love, laugh, and learn.
People really, getting into this game of very active trading, finding these very volatile stocks and options to use in this way. Do you think it's just a phase? What's your top level thought on what this means for the market?
Do I think it's a phase? No. I think it's way bigger than a phase. I think it's you're watching something, or you're witnessing history, which is a transformational. It's almost like a transfer of one generation to the next, or it's the opening up of the markets to a new generation. So no, I don't think it's a phase. I think what we're witnessing right now is something that's actually really important and really cool to see.
Is this the best way for a new generation to be engaging with the markets? Now, obviously, there's a lot of power in this sort of social viral mode of searching for names and trying to outsmart the professionals. However, it also seems to come with paying tremendous premiums for out-of-the-money options that are going to expire in a couple of days, and just a lot of friction and really just a lot of room to kind of win or lose. So do you think that that's kind of your best entry point?
We've been trying to introduce a younger generation, a new generation to the world of finance and investing, forever. And until Robinhood came along, and until meme stocks came along and everything like that, nobody's been able to do it. So is it perfect? No, I don't like it. I don't think it's the perfect way. But are the benefits of what's happening right now going to outweigh any of the downside? I think 100 times over. So the answer is, in an imperfect way, it's a wonderful happening, if that makes sense. I think when you look at the makeup of the investor, what we're seeing here is the investor is a lot more nimble and a lot more capable of change than we ever thought. So what you're seeing here now too is a generation that doesn't have the same kind of wealth that a normal generation or older generation would have when they're getting into investing. So what they're looking for is an opportunity to invest in something. And this is one of the reasons why digital assets took off. And it's one of the reasons why meme stocks took off. They're looking for something with extremely high volatility, which means it has an extremely high expected move. And in the end, what that turns into is something where they can say, hey, you know what? I can take a little bit of money and turn it into a lot of money. Now, is that the perfect solution to long-term successful investing? No, but is it a short-term solution to engage an entire generation in the world of finance when they're in their 20s and 30s, before they in their 50s and 60s? And the answer is yes. That's why I think the benefits are so wonderful compared to the risks.